We have Caroline says Hebrews chapter 10, verse 24 and 25. It says, we are supposed to be a part of an assembly, church. Is it okay to not to join an assembly? I don't think that it's necessarily talking about like a group, you know what I mean? Like we would never say because you didn't join Assembly of Yahuwah that we're not all a part of Yah's assembly. This is literally the reason why we called it the Assembly of Yahuwah, because it's not necessarily, it's to remind everybody that we're all a part. Those who are believers are all a part of the Assembly of Yahuwah. This is just a platform in which we protect those who desire to be, I would say, guided or in a safe place. But as far as the understanding of being a part of an assembly, when you come into the body of Messiah, you are a part of the assembly of Yahuwah at large. It has nothing to do with being a part of any camp, group, church, organization, I would say, earthly organization. But you are a part of Yah's people. Now, Yah does tell you in scripture to be active with your people. And a lot of times it doesn't really work. You go to a group of strangers and then try to tell them and try to give them suggestion or what. It doesn't really work like that. You have to build friendships, you have to build relationships, you have to gain trust, and then you can utilize your gifts for those people. But it won't work in this society. They've created cliques and that mentality. So it won't work to display what Yah wants you to do just in a random place. You have to literally build relationships these days, which would help you be able to influence the people around you. So it's not like a sin to not be a part of any earthly organization or group, but you have to be active with Yah's people. Don't, that's a necessity.
Toda Robah, praise Abba Yah, from whom all baraka flow. We hope this video encouraged you today. Don't forget to study to show yourself approved and be like the Bereans who tested everything, according to 2 Timothy 3:15 and Acts 17:11. We assemble every Shabbat and during the week with like-minded believers all over the world, virtually, and sometimes we gather in person for feast days. We have something for the whole family, including children. Discover more on our website at assemblyofyahuwah.com, where you can apply to join, give the biblical assembly needs, and find many biblical resources to help you grow in your walk with Yah. To know when we publish new videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Jeremiah 33:3 tells us, call to Yahuwah and he will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know. Much shalom.